What's going on, guys? Markie Williams from the YouTube channel online certification course. Here I'm going to go over TQM, Total Quality Management course, learn the principles and implementation of it. But first, check out this intro. What's going on? This is Markie Williams and welcome to my channel, online certification course. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your work. Enjoy the tutorial. All the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative. Please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. Comment below as to what you'd like to get certified in, and I can personally send you a link to check out. So let's get started. At its core, the definition of total quality management describes a management approach to long-term success through customer satisfaction. In a TQM effort, all team members of an organization from top to bottom to participate in improving processes, products, services, and the culture in which they will all work. From human resource management to TQM ISO 9000, you will learn continuous improvement along with the important aspect and principles of using TQM. So let's touch on some qualities of having the understanding of TQM. All employees participate in working towards common goals. Total employee commitment can only be obtained after fear has been driven from the workplace, when empowered has occurred, and when management has provided the proper environment. High-performance work systems integrate continuous improvement efforts with normal business operations. Self-managed work teams are one's form of empowerment. The customer ultimately determines the level of quality. No matter what an organization does to implement quality improvement, whether it's training employees, integrating quality into the design process, or upgrading computers or software, the customer determines whether the efforts were worthwhile. During times of organizational change, as well as part of day-to-day operations, effective communication plays a large part in maintaining morale and motivating employees at all levels. Communication involves strategies, methods, and timeliness. Over-communicating isn't a bad thing unless it gets redundant. Let your communication be effective and point-driven and delivered to the right people. I have sat on many meetings and thought to myself, I don't need to be here. In order to know how well an organization is performing, data on performance measures the necessary. TQM requires that an organization continually collects and analyzes data in order to improve decision-making accuracies, achieve consensus, and allow prediction based on past history. So let's check out a few strategies modeled for implementing TQM systems. Top management learns about and decides to commit to TQM. A TQM master plan is developed on the basis of steps 1, 2, and 3. Once fully knowledgeable, management will then address their team with an onboarding process through training, coaching, mentoring, and other methods. Constant employee awareness and feedback on status are provided, and a reward recognition process is established. Of course, there's much more to the course. You always click on the link to get more in-depth prior to purchasing. All the links will be down in the description below. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. Comment below "done" and I will reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and there I will also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these certification courses as well floating around right here. Hope to catch you on the next tutorial. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.